farmer's market and I got to pick them up yesterday. So I'm going to plant them today. I bought these 4 varieties: Sherwood's, Peach, Cornell, Bronze, Cafe au lait, a la mode, and pickup. No, just these 4. There are 4 varieties in here. Let's see, he said the names are written on them. Here's one, you can see it budding, but I don't see the name written on here. There's another one. Ooh, this is Cornell. Oh God, there's a bee on me. Cafe au lait, and I'm gonna get out of here. Okay, so the guy said they need full sun, so I'm thinking I'll put one there, it's my pointer, and there, or maybe 2 on this side and 2 over there, because I don't have any other sunny spots. He also said to put stakes in before you put the bulbs in, but I don't have any stakes, so I'm just going to start with this one, this little trellis, and see what else I can find. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess I'll put this here. And then I'll use my very fancy shovel to place the Cafe au lait dahlia. Move the mulch first. I don't see much growth, but I think that that might be the beginning of something right there. So it's going to be placed sideways. He said the writing's on the bottom, so I'm assuming it goes this way. Okay. Dahlia 1, planted. I think I'm going to go to the store to find some stakes for the rest of them so I don't mess things up. If I changed my mind, I'm just going to use these to place in place of where I'm going to put the stakes in the meantime. I was going to plant them in a row like that, but I think I might put the second one like right here. So this is the a la mode. I don't know, I think I might have planted the other one upside down because those are going upward. Okay. Hi. Hi. Oh. Hi. I'm planting the dahlias. I don't have stakes, so I'm pretending. Well, trying to pretend. I'm just putting those there, and then I'll put the stakes in once I buy some. It's always those things up. There we go. So I have 1, 2, maybe I'll do 1 and then 2. This is the Sherwood. Oh no, I was gonna do this one here, Cornell Brown. And I read that they do not take any fertilizer. Like, they don't need starter fertilizer because the bulbs have enough energy within them. Okay, last one. This is the Sherwood Peach. Uh-oh, I forgot the stake. There. Okay. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think they'll fill in that space nicely. It's been just a few days since I planted these dahlias. This first one, I don't see anything, but this second one, it's already growing in. And same with this one. And this one. I still haven't replaced the sticks. Maybe I'll go shopping for them now. So these are the dahlias that I planted. They're actually blooming. Like almost blooming. I forget the variety of this one. There's the bud. How cute. It is already fall, so I don't know if they're going to bloom completely or die out tonight because it is going to be pretty freezing, but this makes me happy. 1, 2 with the buds. 3, 4. Okay, so there's the dahlia. It's just opening up. Looks kind of funky. Not sure which one this is. I forget what I planted where. It does look like maybe it got nibbled on a little bit. We have a second bloom. Dahlia in October snow. So it's November and the dahlia is still very beautiful. This one's fading though. There's the back side of the dahlia. And there's the center. And a little bug. Bugs. We had a pretty crazy windstorm last night, and one of our trees fell down, so I want to see how the dahlias are doing. And there you have it. One broke. The nice one broke. My little ant. Oh look, there's a little bud right there. So that's not gonna live. This one's already faded. And the other ones were eaten, so they never flowered. But they did grow. This is the first one, either a la mode or cafe au lait. I think cafe au lait. See, the stem is eaten right there. This is the other one. Just everything's eaten off. But it got pretty tall. And then there's the Cornell, and there's the Sherwoods. So that's it for the dahlias. I'll do a video on how to take them. Dahlias are pretty beautiful. Hi, Stella.